Okay, so this is room 2485 on the Carnival Breeze. It's a Deluxe Ocean View, but it's huge. Okay. Usually do a balcony, but wanted to try something different. Right. This is the entrance. You have a regular bathroom here.
There will be plenty of fun waiting for you after
And then you have
got all that?
4 closets.
Now go out there, stay healthy, and have fun.
And before I show you all that room on the inside, since it's a Deluxe Ocean View, you also have this little half bathroom. Let me move back and give you a view of how huge this freaking room is. Look at this. Massive for an ocean view. Look at that. And you even have a couch area over here. So the bed there, just the bed. And you got 2 windows. So from another vantage point in the corner, let me show you this room. It's ridiculous. I couldn't find this exact room on YouTube anywhere. Showed the one from the Dream, but you know, it's different decor on the Breeze. So just showing you this one. It is huge. Okay. And then of course, you know, it's a tiny ass TV for this room. But then there you have the refrigerator. Then up there is a safe. And then it's just your basic room. But just wanted to show you, give you one more. And pan around. I can't get over how huge this room is. So this is your ocean view, Deluxe Ocean View on the Carnival Breeze 2485.